last edition of the 2025 Economic Outlook. OECD Secretary General Matthias Cormann will present the report's.
Our projections point to a moderation of global GDP growth to 3.2% this year and 2.9% next year, followed by a small rebound to 3.1% in 2027, as I already mentioned. But compared with our economic outlook from June, these projections are up by 0.3 percentage points for this year and unchanged for next year. However, our outlook highlights key fragilities on the horizon, from elevated trade restrictions to policy uncertainty and concerns about supply chain security, to rising public spending pressures from increased defense requirements and the rising economic and fiscal impacts of population aging, and vulnerabilities associated with high financial asset valuations, such as for AI-related investments and cryptocurrencies.
Bring it up, Howard. This is our great Secretary of Commerce. So, if you look at that, China, first row, China.
In the United States, growth is expected to slow from 2% this year to 1.7% next year as higher tariffs take full effect, while for 2027 we project a small pickup to 1.9%. China's growth is projected to slow from 5% this year to 4.4% next year and 4.3% in 2027 as a result of the impact of higher tariff rates on exports to the United States, as well as continuing adjustment in the real estate sector and fading fiscal support. For Japan's economy, we project robust growth of 1.3% this year and 0.9% in both 26 and 2027, supported by resilient domestic demand. In the euro area, growth is projected at 1.3% this year, 1.2% next year, and 1.4% in 2027, as increased trade frictions are expected to be offset by capital spending from the Recovery and Resilience Facility and higher defense expenditure. Our strong advice to all government remains to work harder, work together bilaterally and multilaterally to find the best possible ways to make our international trading arrangements fairer and function better in a way that preserves to the greatest extent possible the economic benefits of open markets and rules-based global trade.
Thank you, Secretary General. I'd just like to remind journalists following us online they can ask questions using the chat function. I'll ask Asa and Louise.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.